Stop! You've been throwing money away on gas your whole life, and you didn't even know it. What if I told you that most drivers fall for at least 3 of these 12 fuel myths, and one of them could be quietly draining your wallet every time you fill up? Think you know the truth about saving fuel? Let's put your knowledge to the test. You won't believe what's coming up. Myth number 12. Turning off the AC saves gas. True or false? Running your AC kills your fuel efficiency. What do you think? False. This myth is dead wrong. While it's true that AC used to be a fuel-hungry monster, modern air conditioning systems are surprisingly efficient. But here's the twist. Rolling down your windows at high speeds actually burns more fuel because of aerodynamic drag. On highways, keeping the AC on is actually better for fuel efficiency. But what about manual transmissions? Are they still the fuel-saving kings? You're about to find out. Myth number 11. Manual transmissions always save gas. Guess what? This used to be true, but not anymore. In the past, driving stick gave you total control over fuel consumption, but modern automatic transmissions, especially CVTs and dual-clutch systems, are way smarter than humans at optimizing fuel efficiency. Studies show that modern automatics now match or even beat manuals in fuel economy. So if you're still driving manual just for fuel savings, think again. Next up, what about cruise control? Does it really save gas, or is it just another myth? Let's break it down. Myth number 10. Cruise control uses more fuel. True or false? Cruise control burns more fuel than manual driving. Mostly false. Here's why. On flat highways, cruise control is your best friend because it eliminates unnecessary acceleration and braking. But on hills, that's where cruise control becomes a fuel waster. When you drive manually, you can ease off the gas uphill and let gravity do its thing downhill. But cruise control, it forces the engine to work harder than necessary. Bottom line, if you're on a long, flat road, use cruise control. But in hilly areas, turn it off. Now here's a myth that might actually be draining your wallet at the pump, and you don't even realize it. Myth number 9. Topping off gets you more gas. Admit it. You've done this. You're at the pump, the nozzle clicks off, but you squeeze in a few extra drops to round up the dollar amount. Big mistake. That extra fuel, it doesn't go into your tank. Most of it goes back into the pump, or worse, it damages your car's vapor recovery system. Even worse, overfilling can flood the charcoal canister, mess with emissions, and wreck your fuel efficiency. Next time the pump clicks off, stop. You're literally wasting money if you keep going. And speaking of fuel waste, do you think premium gas cleans your engine? Think again. Myth number 8. Premium fuel cleans your engine and boosts performance. Premium gas is better for your car. Sounds legit, right? Wrong. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're throwing money away. Premium gas doesn't clean your engine better than regular. Premium gas won't improve performance unless your engine needs it. Manufacturers already add detergents to all gasoline types. Bottom line, if your owner's manual doesn't say, premium required, save your money. But what about filling up in the morning? Does that actually save you money? Let's bust that myth next. Myth number 7. Filling up in the morning saves money. Some people believe fuel is denser in the morning, so you get more gas per dollar. Completely false. Gas is stored underground and stays at a constant temperature all day long. The only time temperature matters? Fuel vapor loss. Cooler temps slightly reduce evaporation, but you're not saving money. Fill up whenever it's convenient. Morning, afternoon, or night. It doesn't matter. Now let's talk about a big myth. Does running your car on low fuel destroy your engine? Here's the truth. Myth number 6. Driving on a low fuel tank destroys the engine. You've probably heard this warning before. Never let your fuel tank drop too low. It'll suck up dirt and destroy your engine. But is this actually true? Mostly false. Modern cars have advanced fuel filters that block dirt and debris before they ever reach your engine. But here's the real danger. Running low on gas too often can overheat your fuel pump. The pump relies on fuel to stay cool, and without enough gas, it can wear out faster. So, should you always keep your tank full? Not necessarily. Just don't make a habit of running on fumes. Up next, are big gas stations actually better than smaller ones? The answer might shock you. Myth number 5. Big gas stations have better fuel. Chevron, Shell, Exxon, are they really giving you better gas? Or is this just clever marketing? Truth. All fuel must meet the same federal quality standards, whether it's from a major brand or a small independent station. The only real difference, some big brands add extra detergents, which may help prevent carbon buildup over time. But will you get better mileage? Nope. Gas is gas. As long as it's top tier certified, you're good to go. Speaking of gas, what about fuel additives? Do they actually boost performance? Let's bust that myth next. Myth number 4. Fuel additives improve mileage and engine performance. Fuel additive companies love to promise better mileage, cleaner engines, and more power. But here's the harsh truth. Most additives are just a waste of money. If additives really made a huge difference, oil companies would include them in gasoline from the start. Some cleaners, like seafoam, can help with neglected engines, but for most drivers, it won't do much. Your best fuel additive is simply using high-quality gas and maintaining your car properly. But what about turning off your engine at a stoplight? Does that actually save gas? Let's find out. Myth number 3. Shutting off the engine at a stop saves gas. Turn off your engine when stopped. It saves gas. Sometimes true, but mostly false. Modern fuel-injected engines use very little fuel when idling. Restarting the engine doesn't waste as much gas as you think. The only time you should turn off the engine if you're stopped for a long period, like at a railroad crossing. Up next, overinflating your tires. Does it really save gas, or is it a dangerous mistake? Myth number 2. Higher tire pressure saves gas. Pump up your tires past the recommended PSI. It'll reduce rolling resistance and save fuel. Technically, less rolling resistance can help mileage, but at a dangerous cost. Overinflated tires reduce traction, make your ride rougher, wear out faster, increase the risk of a blowout. Instead, follow your car's recommended tire pressure. It's designed for the perfect balance of safety, comfort, and efficiency. And now, the biggest fuel myth of them all. You're not going to believe this. Myth number 1. Premium fuel makes your car run better. Premium gas is better for your car. This is the most expensive myth of them all. Premium gas only helps if your car requires it. Higher octane prevents knocking in high-performance engines. But if your car doesn't need it, you're just wasting money. Stick to what your owner's manual recommends. Anything else is just burning cash. Fuel myths are all around us, and believing them could be costing you money. If you want to keep saving money, watch our next video. 9 car sounds that mean an expensive repair is coming. Which of these myths surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more money-saving car tips.